And then we have to tip this over, and then we have this thing. This whole tray thing comes out of here. Watch this mess. Get it off. There, look at that. We're gonna talk about gross. Gross. Who else would do this with you? Who else? Something that needed to be done, and then you're gonna get real life things on this video because it's just how my life is. I'm sorry. It's not all pleasant and beautiful, believe me. I do have moments of beauty and pleasant things, but I would be doing this outside. Yes, I would be doing this outside, but it is awfully, awfully windy today, and I'm not going to get this stuff in my eyes. So, look at that. Okay, I'm going to get a rag. We're going to wipe her down a little bit. We'll wipe some of this down. Wipe this one down. Let me get an older rag. Don't mind my floors. My floors over here are already dirty, like I was saying. Look at that. This is what I come in and out of like 10 times a day. Let's see. I'm going to find an old rag. I can't wait to get her going again. I bet she misses us calling her, come on Alice, come to work today. We're always saying stuff like that. Come to work today, Alice, would you please? Come to work. This is her on and off button, and she has a dock that she goes and sits on and gets charged up. So she hasn't been charged, so she can't just run right away. She'll have to go and sit on the dock for a while before she can get going again, you know. Wheels seem to be okay. Open this thing back up. Get it. There. So where the beater bars go. And that's where the beater bars go, and then this will go back over top of them. First. And you just have to take care of your stuff, right? You just have to take care of things that you know works for you. Oops. Dust them, take care of them, love them. It'll work for you for a long time. Still some more thread there on that. I did get my carrots in the ground, so I'm hoping that this video is continuation, but I'm not sure. I think the other video shut off, so if I do have the video, I will post it. It wasn't very beautified either, so I kind of lived like almost on a farm, but not quite. Okay, where's my other little baby part here? Stuff is giving me a sore throat, kind of. Put that part in, and then this yellow part I think goes this way, because we took it apart like this and the yellows were on this side. Yep. It's going to sink down in there. Very good. Alright, and this one we can't really do too much dusting really, but like a little. This beater bar goes back in here. I think it has like this little square here. See the square? So it has to fit into that square just right on that other side. And then when it does, there. Then you can get it in there. Then you can shut this little cage. My daughter-in-law, I think they have one of these too, but I have never seen it out. She's like, oh, that my son had to clean it. I'm like, girl, get cleaning that thing. Girl, she can do a lot more than she tries. Put it that way. She could do a lot more. Taking care of a home, there's just so much to do, you know? And you get a little bit older and it's like you wear out, you know? But I just keep going. And there's some days, my back is shot from doing alterations and doing fittings up and down for so many years. And my back is shot. And there's some days that I can hardly even freaking walk. Like earlier this week, I don't know what it was, what I did. I think I overwalked, I overdid it walking, and then I'm laid up for a couple days. I have to take a break. And then I'll get back out there again and hit it hard, and then I'll have to take a couple days break, you know, and I have a bad hip, and I had it for when I was younger. My hip bone was out of place, and I wore a brace for 2.5 years. And so it gets sore from time to time when I overwork it, you know, but I love to walk. I would be walking more if I didn't have the back pain and the hip pain. But I do what I can each day, and I try. I get out there and I just give it what I can give it, and don't let anything slow you down. Just keep going. You can do it too. Alright, we got the little drawer looking pretty good. I apologize if this is really gross, but it's my normal life. I share it with you guys. This is a normal type of thing I do. I hope I didn't break it. I think I did break it a little bit. Pretty good. Okay, and this thing goes back on here. How? Pay attention when I take it apart. There, it clips in there. And this shuts. All the dirt can go in there, and then I believe it goes, it snaps in. It has to like click in there. Yeah, it's clipped in. Okay. Pretty good looking. And she is going to go back on the charge. I'm happy with that. She can start cleaning my floor tomorrow. Alright, let's get rid of this big jumbo mess. I need to sweep over here. All gnarly. But we'll get that later. Alright, we're going to move on to the next project. We've got a couple more projects going on. We're going to wash these scissors and sand. Our place is all sand. Okay, we're going to leave her. We're going to leave her right here for a second till I can get my hands clean. We're going to put her back on the charge. Put these scissors over here so they can get washed up. camera around, and I'm going to show you another really bad project I have today. There you go, Alice. You're back home. Yeah, you're back home. How nice is that? All right, let me wash my hands, and then we're going to turn you around, and we got to get this done quick. My scissors washed, my hands washed. Okay, we got a cleaning rag here. It's a different one than what I had over there. We put her in the wash. Okay, show you a couple things here. It's getting kind of dark in here. Don't mind my husband's big mess, because he's sure got one going on. Okay, I'm going to put you guys here. Maybe you can see what I'm doing, maybe you can't. I'm going to put you right there. Let me see what you can see. Let me see here. What you guys can see. Yeah, right there. That's good. Okay, I got my rag there. So I have my rag, my cleaning rag. We're going to be cleaning this mess. Look at that. Talk about a mess. So we're going to clean that all out. And what happened here is, you know, I love to bake and cook and all that stuff. And you get busy and you get holidays thrown in there and you just keep piling more shit in there, more. And a lot of this pans need to go back in my bakery. I have a certain area that I call my bakery, where I have all big pots and pans and different things for the bakery, decorations to make wedding cakes and all this stuff. So a lot of these bigger pans and things can go back there, and I'm just going to keep out the ones that I really, really use, right? Probably, my head's probably chopped up, you can't even see me. But before we do that, let me also show you my product. I just got these in the mail today. I just opened it up. So this is Muscadar Bourbon Pure Vanilla. Look how it comes. I got this on Amazon. Is it amazing or what? It is so cute. I have to cut the label. Where's the scissors? Let me show you.